You searched how to buy shares of Sidetrade SA, a French SaaS company that automates accounts receivable. It trades on Euronext under the ticker ALBFR.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy ALBFR.PA, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Open the platform search and type the ticker ALBFR.PA to find the Sidetrade SA listing. Make sure you select the Euronext listing that matches ALBFR.PA. On the asset page, check basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Sidetrade SA. Verify the exchange and ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your Sidetrade position will appear in your portfolio. For the eToro link and more details, see the description below.